Yeah. GT. Oh yeah, little GT.
Oh, there's heaps of them. Get the other one out.
Hey, where's the other popper, guys? Cast that other popper, Phil.
Tell Josh, I'll radio Josh. Now bring that
Oh,
up.
nice and clear. Oh, I just dropped him.
You're kidding. Nah, snap the line. Cool.
Go hands, oh, you're right, mate. I've stopped it. Yeah, pull her in. Quick, get one in there. Adam.
Yeah, that's a big...
Okay, get him up. Get him up.
Come on, Angie.
Nice fish. Before we get sucked onto the reef. Coming around starboard, guys.
Go reel when he's going towards the fish.
Yeah, keep that line tight. All right. He's away from the reefs, good sign. Missed the strike.
Good thing I've got a couple extra ready.
Oh yeah, well, that's right. I've got a stack of bait down there. Fairly clear there now, hands. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, I better get another one.
Yeah, okay, sorry, good point. Oh. Trying to do everything and bloody not hit the reef.
Don't worry about buddy.
Oh, here he goes, still going.
Good fish.
Yep. He's hanging off a deer live. Oh, that'd be a bonus.
Look at the size of it.
Well, he's a nice one.
Nah, I'll tail him.
Okay. Oh, he's solid fish. Well done, hands.
Grip. Okay, nice one.
Oh, good fish. Well done, hands. Got you.
See you later, mate. I give him a kiss.
Yeah.
You've got big teeth.
Okay, let him go.
Bye-bye.
Oh, good release. Okay, just working this reef here. See the bait here just in front of us?
Yeah.
Got a current coming onto the reef. Just popping our poppers off the reef here. So a few GT along this edge, which is great. Had a good couple of hookups and just landed a nice, probably 15 kilo GT. Yeah, that's it. Just twitch those baits in.
I saw that you had that bloody GT swimming to it. Bloody big.
Yeah, you can see him smash it, eh? I saw the strike, but I didn't have the camera going. Hopefully soon we'll get that one. Got that big gold Captiva, eh? Beast for popper. Okay, see the bait here? Marty's just done a good cast. Woof, woof. No. Now a GT right on the edge of the reef there. Good fish. Told you that big gold lure. Big gold popper.
Well, that's what he had.
Nice GT. Just coming around to starboard there slowly. got some weight, this one.
Shark might already got it.
Oh no, I don't think so. Don't jinx him.
Walk around the boat, follow the fish. Walk.
Yeah, we'll.
All right, I missed the strike, but another little GT, wasn't it?
Yep.
I just popped him.
Oh!
Hit GT on that one.
Yeah! Keep going, keep working it.
Keep going, they're going.
Got him! Hooray! There's 3 of them.
Have we got a big one on, Hansy?
I have a big one on.
So we got one hook up over here. You see him over to the other boat.
Double boat.
They're onto it over the other boat as well.
All right.
It comes back.
Oh, some good load there,
It's
mate.
a big fish. I can't give him any more.
No, you're right. You got to just take your time, mate. You got to play him. Oh,
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, Hansy, don't. Hi.
no, let him. Okay, yeah, pump him more, and that's it. Oh,
Hansy, take it and put it under your arm.
No, Dad.
no, he's doing all right. Let's take your time, mate.